Welcome back to the channel, guys. Hope you guys are all doing awesome, and in today's video I'll show you how to buy music from iTunes store and add it straight to your library. So you can start by simply using any iOS device that you have, iPhone or iPad. Then you can simply open iTunes store on your iPhone or iPad and make sure you are signed in with your Apple ID and have a valid payment method set up. As you can see here, if you scroll down you will find your Apple ID right there. As you can see, I have already logged in. Now simply tap search on the bottom left corner and here search for anything that you want to download, song or album you want. Once you see it, tap the title and open the details page right here. Now next, tap on the price button beside the track or album. As you can see here, these are all the prices. Confirm your purchase using Face ID, Touch ID or your password. Then the music will automatically download to your device and appear in your Apple Music app on your library, or simply check your downloads tab on the right corner and it will be available right here. And that's it, guys. In just a few taps you can buy and download your favorite songs from iTunes store. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more Apple tutorials, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thank you for watching.